Welcome to Adorable Corner, where sensible reigns. It is our promise to keep you informed and entertained with all that makes sense. Do subscribe to this channel and like our videos always.
Hi everyone, hope you are all doing good and you're feeling refreshed at this time that we just have to stay at home to keep healthy and keep safe from the coronavirus, popularly called COVID-19. It's another time for me to welcome you to your favorite channel, Adorable's Corner, where the sensible reigns. And today I'm here with another inspiring tutorial that will sure add very good, thing to the knowledge you already have. And that's one thing I know how to do best, and I will never be tired of bringing you good and inspiring content that will continue to add to the knowledge you already have. What's cooking today? I'm sure you want to ask me. You want to know what I want to talk about today. Alright, don't stray. Just let's go learning. Welcome back. Today we're talking about how you can use the OCR feature built in JAWS to correct errors in your PDF document. Yes, that's what we are talking about. Of course, we all know that the OCR feature is used to recognize texts from images, be it PDF or a JPG format, and once the text is recognized, you can copy it and use it for anything you want. But today, I'm going to show you another hidden feature of that OCR that a lot of people don't know. In fact, I'm sure that majority don't know that this exists, and that is why I'm here to show you what you can do. With technology, possibilities are just endless. So if you have any PDF document that has some errors, whether in the process of typing it and all of that, you can use the built-in OCR feature in JAWS to correct the error automatically. You heard me right. You don't need to do it manually. No, the error will be corrected and your document will be good to read. Perhaps you don't understand what I'm talking about. Sometimes when we download some PDF documents from sources online to read, we get in contact with some errors that will not allow you to read the document as smooth as you want to read it. Now, let me not explain it with the word of mouth. Let me just demonstrate this kind of error for you and show you how you can use the built-in JAWS OCR feature to correct it. So I'm going to be heading straight to my laptop and be going to my document. Let's do that right now. Let me go to my document.
JAWS Professional. Search box edit. Type S. This. Enter. This PC. Items view list D. Desktop. D. Documents. Enter. Shelf folder view.
Alright, I'm in my document now. I have another folder in this document called Incredible Story. I'll press I to open that.
Incredible Stories.
So press enter.
Enter. Shelf folder view. Items view list bar.
So I need a particular book that has this kind of error I'm talking about so that I can show you how you can fix it with the built-in OCR feature in JAWS.
L. Laris Dilemma. L. Life. Above all. P. Light and dark. Lion. Living. Locking. Losing him. Lost in. Love and adventure. Love and just. Love in between. Love in between. Love and adventure. PDF. Lost in love. Love and adventure. Love in between. Love in between. Love in between. Love is Love is not for Love Life of Love me once. Love Life of Asante.pdf.
Good. There's a book titled Love Life of Ashanti. So I'm going to open this file so that I can show you what I'm talking about. So let me open it.
Shift F10. Context menu. To navigate. Open with submenu. Google. Microsoft Word left paren desktop right paren. Enter.
All right.
Menu bar. To navigate, press left or right arrow. Leaving menu bar. Items view multi-select list box. Love Life of Asante.
So let's wait for the document to open. And I'm going to try to read it so that I can demonstrate what I'm talking about for you.
See Alapicida. Left bracket 9 slash.
Okay,
Left bracket 9
this is a
slash
document,
10:28
and
p.m.
I want to
right
start
bracket
reading
on
it to see what I'm talking about.
054414268 Mel colon love dash life off Asante dash episode 1.
So let's scroll down.
Spelling error. See Alapicida sheer right double angle bracket. Out of spelling error quote. I think I have stayed too long under thumperleoth thatso dash khalid affection I used to have it for. You dot truthis. I really don't live I anymore dot I have been thinking about that about this toy.
So you see that you cannot hear anything. And that's because there is no space in between the words. That's the way this book is from the beginning to the end. All the words are muddled, or if you like it, jungled together. There are no spaces in between the words. So let me try to show you what I'm talking about by reading word for word.
Khalid affection I used to have it for.
You can see that's more than a word, and I just press Control plus my left arrow. So I'm going to spell
ALALEDAFEFETOAFFOR space YO.
So that's just one
Oscar.
space out of many words.
Y space
Let's go back to where there's a space and let me show you.
YOU
So this is
period
U.
T
Okay.
Tango.
Now after this U, now there's a period and there's supposed to be a space before this
R
T.
U
There is no
T
space.
H I S comma IREAL.
You can see after comma
Yankee.
there is also no space. So that's to show you that this document cannot be read. So if I try to read it by using, let's say, the down arrow or the up arrow, you see that the screen reader will not be able to read the document as accurate as it should be. So let's try it and let's see.
But I just called figure top dot I really don't think we can still continue this relationship there are. Spelling error perhaps it's dimophoristigure separate ways quote. Out of spelling error thesaurus the self samuart stakamia from Gideon's mouth and that veride dot had to conclude at that a brief dash.
So that's it. You can see that this document has, an error that needs to be corrected. So let me close this document and go straight to why we are here.
All F4. Incredible stories. Items view multi-select list.
Alright, if you have such document, you download a PDF document and you realize that there is no space in between the words, or you just cannot read it because of the words are not arranged properly, or they use tab, to represent space. Like they can write, let's say you are going, and they write YOU tab instead of space. You see ARE tab GOING. So it will be read like you tab are tab going. All right, instead of you are going. So whatever you are using to read it will be pronouncing that tab. So if you have come across such document and you've been wondering how can you edit it, you have to just sit down and start editing it manually, and that would take time. Okay, today you're about to learn a solution that is as fast as anything you can think of. So if you have a book like that, like the one I have right now, you are going to make sure that your cursor is on that book, and I'm going to do that.
Love Life of Asante.pdf.
Alright, I just scroll on that book. So what you do to activate the OCR feature in JAWS is to press your application key, and if you don't have, you can use Shift plus F10.
Shift F10. Context menu. To navigate, press up or down arrow. O. Open
Then
with Adobe
press
Acrobat Reader DC.
Letter O until you hear
O. Open. O.
again.
O. Convenient OCR with JAWS.
Convenient OCR with JAWS and press enter on it.
Enter. Leaving menus. Incredible stories. Items view multi-select list box. Love Life of Asante.pdf. 18/05/2019 11:10 a.m. Adobe Acrobat document 763 kilobytes. 19 of 21. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Document OCR started.
So you can hear that document OCR started. And if you listen well, you can also hear that click. So that's to tell you that there's something going on. Let's just hold on.
Items view list box. Items view multi-select list box. Love Life of Asante.pdf. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Left bracket 9/8. 10:28 p.m. right bracket Fredome 0544142683 May love life of Asante episode 1 see all episodes here right double angle bracket quote ... I think I have stayed too long under the umbrella of that so called affection I used to have for you. Truth is, I really don't love you anymore. I have see all episodes here right double angle bracket quote ... I think I have stayed too long under the umbrella of that so called affection I used to have for you. Truth is, I really don't love you anymore. I have been thinking about how to put this to you, but I just couldn't figure it out. I really don't think we can still continue.
Alright, as you can hear, you see that the OCR result is out, but not completed yet. But I want you to notice that now the book is not reading properly. One thing you now need to do is to, at some seconds, or let me say like 30 seconds, press your control plus end.
OCR in progress. Please wait for additional content.
You can hear that OCR in progress. Please wait for additional content. So as long as you press control plus end and you hear that, that's to tell you that the OCR is still in progress. So you need to wait until it is completed.
OCR in progress. Please wait for it for.
One thing I want to let you learn here is that the OCR feature of JAWS is now correcting the error in this document automatically without you having to be spelling the words, one after the other and be putting space where necessary. If you have to do that, it will take a while. I mean, it will take all, ages for you to finish up with a document of about 600 pages or 700 pages or 100 and something pages and all of that. So I'm going to press my control plus end again to see if all is right.
Blank, 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 blank.
All right, I'm pressing it now. Or all you can hear is blank, 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 blank. So that means
blank.
The OCR is completed and all of the mistakes in it, has also been completed. The mistakes has been removed. There is now space where space should be. And I want to go to the beginning of the document.
Left bracket 9/8. 10:28.
All right, let's read.
Blank. Quote what? Blank. Ignored her questions as he gestured with his hands, telling her that he was about to leave. Blank. Quote, you mean to tell me that you have never loved me all these while, or what? The times we have spent together and all, quote, Asante said, with her voice now vibrating. So
that's it. The next step you need to take now is to select all of these results by pressing Ctrl A.
Selected. 12670.
Then open a new document blank page.
Windows D. Folder VW. WinRAR-W. Word 2016. Enter. Opening -Word. Word. Backstage view. No open document.
So I'm going to open a new page by pressing Ctrl plus L.
Alt L. Microsoft Word document. Print view. Edit.
Alright. What I have selected. Okay, did I copy?
Incredible
I'm not sure
stories.
I copied. Let me do that again.
OCR results.
Alright, I'm going to do that again.
Selected. 126. Nothing selected.
Sorry.
Selected. 126. Copied selection to clipboard.
Good. So let me go back to
document 1-Word. To move to an item, press the arrow.
And I'm going to paste here.
Paste it from clipboard. Page 43.
So this document has 43 pages. Imagine if I want to start editing it manually. In fact, I won't leave here in the next 1 or 2 hours. So let's go to the beginning. All right, and let's read.
Tables. Blank. 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 Bottom of 5. Page 1. Blank. 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 Gideon straightened his face as he stood up from the beautiful piece of chair, and started adjusting his pocket filler in his nicely sewn suit. He simply ignored her questions. Period.
So the book is there.
Out of table. Top of file. Left bracket.
I'm going to save it now by pressing F12.
F12. Save as dialog. File name : edit combo 9.docs. To set the value, use the arrow keys.
I'm going to type it.
L-O-V-E.
Love Life of Ashanti
S-A-N-T-E-E. S&T. Save as type : combo box. Word document left paren star dot docs.
I'm going to select PDF.
Word document left paren star dot strict opened. Word plain text, rich text, web page, single XP, PDF left paren star dot PDF right.
Alright, press my tab now to save button.
Save button. To activate, press space bar.
Then just press space bar to activate this button.
Space.
So let's wait a while. And
Love Life of S&T.pdf Adobe Acrobat Reader
good.
DC.
The document is ready and it's now in PDF format. Now let's compare and see what has been done here.
Document 1-Word. To move to an item, press Love Life of S&T.pdf Adobe Acrobat Reader
So I'm going to
DC.
close this.
To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Alt F4. Task switch. JAWS Professional. Love Life of Asante-OCR. Alt F4. Leaving menu bar. Document 1-Word. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Left bracket 9. Don't love you anymore.
Alright, this is the OCR result, and I'm going to open the
Search box edit. Type
heading
text.
document we talked about the first time.
H S. This P enter. This PC. Items view list I. D. ID. D. Documents. Enter. This PC. I. Incre. Enter. Shell folder view. I. L. 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 Lost in love. Love in between. Love in between. Love in love is fat and love is not. Love me1. Love Life of Asante.pdf. Shift F10. Context menu. To navigate page. Open with micros. Word left paren desk. Enter. N. Leaving menus. Items view multi-select list box. Love Life of Asante.pdf. 18/05/2000. Left bracket.
Okay, let's see. This is the document before editing. Let's read.
But I just called figure top. I really don't think we can still continue this relationship. There are perhaps it's timopherus to good or separate ways. Visuarat the self samuarts that coming up from Gideon's mouth and that veride. Have it conclude at that abreed dash up well betha best jitfu older for Asante on her birthday. Quote what? Baby, watch opening? What's wrong? Talk Tomina? Asante Sada shu asfari confused at Astalarat the sudden breed dash up ish was coming from. Gideon straightened at his facetious stood up from the boat if all pissy offcher. And started just
That's it. Now let's read the OCR result from JAWS.
Document 1-Word. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Document 1. The truth is, I really don't love you anymore. I have been thinking about how to put this to you, but I just couldn't figure it out. I really don't think we can still continue this relationship, dear. Perhaps it's time for us to go our separate ways. These were the self-same words that came out from Gideon's mouth on that very day. He had concluded that a break dash up would be the best gift he would offer Asante on her birthday. Quote what? Baby, what's happening? What's wrong? Talk to me now, Asante said as she was very confused as to where the sudden break dash up ish was coming from. Gideon straightened his face as he stood up from period.
Excellent. I'm sure you need no one to tell you the difference. You know it yourself. So that's to tell you that in technology, possibilities are just endless. You can never limit what you can do with technology. That's another hidden feature of JAWS OCR. So you can use it at your own free time and test it out. Don't forget to always hit the subscribe button and share this tutorial with your friend. Tell your friend to tell another friend to subscribe to the channel, and don't stop sharing and liking the video. See you next time. Thank you for your precious time watching and listening. We value your comment on our videos. For questions and concerns, please call +234 806160 9134 or send a mail to emmanueljunaidh@gmail.com. EMMANUELJUNAIDH@gmail.com. Catch you on the next video. Cheers.